Hello friends, let us familiarize some questions about arc welding equipments. What are the different types of welding machines used for arc welding? Answer: welding transformer, welding generator, welding rectifier. These are the different types of welding machines used for arc welding. What are the factors on which voltage drop across an arc depends? Answers: length of arc and atmosphere in which the arc is operating are the factors on which voltage drop across an arc is depends. Next question is, how does the resistance of an electric arc differ from a normal resistance? In case of electric arc, it is the current if the current is increased, then the potential drops across the arc instead of increasing as with the ohmic resistance. It decreases up to a current of about 50 to 70 ampere and then become approximately constant. It is not like the ohmic resistance or we previously we studied that V is equal to IR, V is directly proportional to I, but in case of electric arc it is not like that. What are the advantages of arc welding? Answer: low initial cost, low maintenance cost, no problem of arc blow, and noise-free operation. Next question: what are the disadvantages of arc welding? Arc welding is not suitable for welding of non-ferrous metals. Arc welding is not suitable for welding of sheet metals. The arc welding cannot used where electric main supply is not available. These are the main disadvantages of arc welding. Next question. DC welding machines are of two types. Name them. First one is welding generators and second one is welding rectifiers. What are the advantages of DC welding machines? In DC welding machines, we can use bare wire electrode. The polarity can be changed in DC welding machines. Can be used to weld ferrous and non-ferrous metals in DC welding machines. It is easy to strike and maintain the stable arc. The DC welding machines are suitable for welding the sheet metals. Next question. Which type of welding machine has the problem of arc blow? It is a very important question. Arc blow. The DC welding machines have the problem of arc blow. In a DC welding supply unit, what is the direction of current flow? In a straight and reverse polarity circuit. The straight polarity, it is also called direct current electrode negative. In this, the current flow is from electrode to workpiece. In reverse polarity, the flow of current is from workpiece to the electrode. The reverse polarity is also called direct current electrode positive. Which polarity gives more heat at workpiece? Answer is straight polarity. While using DC welding machine, what will indicate that the correct polarity has not been used? Answer: there will be excess spatter and poor penetration. The manipulation of arc will be very difficult and the welding bead will be poor appearance and will have surface defects on it. What type of transformer is used as the power source? Step down transformer. It is used for welding supply. Which type of welding machine can be designed to provide both AC and DC supply? Answer is welding rectifier set. How does a rectifier differ from A transformer power supply. A rectifier provides a choice of welding current because they convert AC into DC, but the transformer can supply only AC. Next question. Which carries higher maintenance cost? Welding transformer or welding generator? The welding generator carries higher maintenance cost. What is an inverter? Can it be used as a source of power supply for welding? Answer. An inverter first rectifies AC into DC. Then it switches or invert DC power into step-down transformer to produce desired welding voltage and current. Because welding transformer can be used for only one type of welding, advances in power switching semiconductors lead to development of inverter power source that are multifunctional, lighter, and more flexible and provide superior arc. Next question. What precautions should be taken to ensure good working condition of welding machines? Answers. Don't keep machines in open space. Keep all electrical connections tight. Don't clean welding machines with water. Use compressed air only to remove dust and impurities. Maintain cooling oil level in welding transformer. Next question. Why are the most welding machines are rated only 60% duty cycle? Answer. In manual welding, the current is not needed continuously because of force to change electrodes, adjust the work, etc. etc. Only 60% of duty cycle means that the power supply can be deliver its rated load for 6 minutes out of every 10 minutes, which is sufficient for most cases. Next question. To which cable is the work connected while doing arc welding? The workpiece is connected while doing arc welding to the earth cable. Let's discuss some MCQ questions. An electrode holder is a device used to grip and manipulate the electrode during welding. What is it made of? Options: mild steel, copper or copper alloy, plastic, brass. The correct answer is copper or copper alloy. Next question. An earth clamp is used to connect the earth cable firmly to the job or welding table. What is it made of? The earth clamp is made of copper and copper alloys. Next question. Welding transformer may be air cooled or water cooled or oil cooled, air cooled or oil cooled, air, water or oil cooled. The correct answer is air cooled or oil cooled. Next question. Which among the following does not related to the advantages of using welding transformer? Options: less initial cost, less maintenance cost, freedom from arc blow, suitable for welding of non-ferrous metals. The answer is option D. The welding machine which is used to convert AC welding supply to DC welding supply is option: motor generator set, engine generator set, rectifier set, and welding transformer set. The correct answer is the rectifier set. Next question. In DC welding, heat distribution is possible between electrode and base metal due to the change in polarity. The distribution of heat is options: positive 2 by 3 and negative 1 by 3. positive 1 by 3 and negative 2 by 3. Positive 3 by 4 and negative 1 by 4. Option D, positive 1 by 4 and negative 3 by 4. The correct answer is positive 2 by 3 and negative 1 by 3 is the distribution of heat. Next question. In DC welding, straight polarity is recommended for options: welding with light coated electrodes, welding with heavy coated electrodes, welding with super heavy coated electrodes, welding with sheet metal. The answer is welding with light coated electrodes. The voltage drop across the arc is depends upon options: arc length and atmosphere in which it is operating, arc length and base metal and atmosphere in which arc is operating, base metal, arc length and atmosphere in which operating. The correct answer is the arc length and atmosphere in which it is operating. Next question. In some welding machines are provided with a special device which give extra current for a few seconds to start the arc in order to give deeper penetration at the beginning of the weld. This device are called options: arc striker, arc helper, arc booster, arc developer. The correct answer is option C, arc booster. Next question. Welding transformers are equipped with condensers so as to improve options: power factor, energy factor, voltage factor and current factor. The correct answer is power factor. The size of welding machine is determined by options: input amperage, output amperage, open circuit voltage, closed circuit voltage. The correct answer is output amperage. As compared to air-cooled welding machine, an oil-cooled welding machine has options: higher duty cycle, lower duty cycle, same duty cycle, and nearly same duty cycle. The correct answer is higher duty cycle. To get DC for welding, it is necessary to have either options: transformer or motor generator set, rectifier or transformer set, rectifier or motor generator set, capacitor or reactor set. The correct answer is rectifier or motor generator set. Next question. Transformer is used in welding to supply options: less welding current, less welding voltage, more welding voltage and more welding current, less welding voltage and more welding current. The correct answer is less welding voltage and more welding current. If the main electric supply is not available, arc welding can be done with options: motor generator set, transformer set, engine generator set, rectifier set. The answer is option C, engine generator set. Next question. In straight polarity, electrode is connected to positive side. The current changes its direction a number of times per second. The base metal is connected to the positive side. 1/3 amount of the heat is generated in the base metal. The straight polarity means direct current electrode negative, which means the base metal is connected to the positive side. So the answer is option C. Next question. The indication of wrong polarity in DC welding will result in options: the electrode will become red hot, excess spatter and poor penetration, the electrode will freeze with the job, it will produce edge plates melt off. The correct answer is excess spatter and poor penetration. Which is the correct method to remove chips from the file? Options: blow away the chips, brush the chips away, flush the chips with water, flush the chips with coolant. The correct answer is brush the chips with away. The next question: which one of the following firm joint caliper is used to make straight line mark on the base plate which is parallel to the plate edge? Options: divider, inside caliper, outside caliper, odd leg caliper. The straight line mark on the base plate which is parallel to the plate edge, it can be carried out by using odd leg caliper. So the answer is option D.